Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the AMBOSS Medical Knowledge app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. AMBOSS is a comprehensive medical study and reference app built for medical students, residents, and professionals. It combines a vast medical library with an interactive question bank, clinical tools, and evidence-based guidance to help with both studying and real-time clinical decision-making. Users can search thousands of medical topics, view annotated images, and even switch between learning and exam modes for deeper understanding. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy to search for conditions, treatments, and diagnostics. One of the standout features is its in-depth bank, which users say closely mirrors real exam formats. The library entries are concise but thorough, and the app also includes helpful tools like a drug dosing calculator, diagnostic algorithms, and interactive radiology images. That said, it's not perfect. Some users feel the app is more suited for study rather than daily clinical use due to its academic tone. The subscription cost is also a common concern, especially for students on a tight budget. While the offline mode is a bonus, certain features still require internet access, which can be limiting in hospital settings with poor connectivity. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, AMBOSS is worth using if you're a medical student or healthcare professional seeking a powerful all-in-one tool for learning, revision, and clinical support. Its depth, accuracy, and integrated features make it stand out in the crowded field of medical apps. Just be prepared for the subscription if you want full access. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.